Hey, thanks for checking out AutoDrill's videos again. We know you've been watching a bunch of them, and we want to thank you for that. See, I can see you right now. Not really. But anyway, here's a 2000 series. You know, I don't even know if silliness helps our videos, but it's just kind of fun. So anyway, here's a 2000 series AutoDrill with an ER20 style collet chuck. I believe it's got a 7.5 millimeter collet in there for an inch size tool. We've got a feed control on the side with 1 inch of feed control, so that's going to slow the drill down when it hits a stop that the customer puts on their fixture, either right here, out a little farther, wherever it may be. And this unit here, as you can see, has an adjustable stroke length. If you turn that nut right there and you shorten the length between that block and that housing, you control the length of this unit, and within a couple thousandths of an inch you have depth control. Of course, if it's a through hole, it doesn't matter. We give everybody a wrench just to make sure, a manual, some additional information on the feed controls. And you can see these units, identical units with a pneumatic switch on the side for their controls, are made with an electric motor. So that's a 3-phase electric motor stuck on there for enough horsepower and torque to turn this with a 1-to-1 ratio. And so this unit right here is running at whatever the RPM of that motor is. That's the RPM you're going to get over here. And so if you're using a VFD, an inverter, some type of speed control, you can control the RPM of the AutoDrill electronically with a PLC or something like that. And if all those letters don't mean anything to you, let's just say it's cool. And so here's something else that's kind of neat. So this coupling that goes between the AutoDrill unit and the motor has a clamp here. Now, why is that clamp here? Because this is a 2-piece coupling. And so what we can do with this is you can mount this AutoDrill anywhere you want, and this motor right here will actually, you could rotate this to the location you want to get your motor box in the right place, whatever it may be. Hey, what is that? That's an air motor. Look at that, a 56 C-face air motor. I wonder if this drill could be made with an air motor. Well, of course it could. This could be a totally pneumatic unit. Pneumatically stroked, pneumatically spun. You could even put a hydraulic motor on here. We'll make an adapter for almost anything that you want to spin this drill with. So this drill will make about 550 pounds of thrust on 100 pounds of shop air. And so it's got to be mounted pretty securely via the holes, which are on the bottom there. You can't see them. But with the motor spinning it up to, let's say, 3 horsepower or so, for this model, the 2000, we go up to 5 horsepower on the 5000. Air motors, pneumatic, no problem. Electric motors, single phase, 3-phase, no problem. Even special voltages for Canada and the Middle East and all of that. Hydraulic motors, no problem. You want to put a belt drive back there, we'll do that. We will help you make an incredibly efficient drilling setup for your job. Now, these are faster than a CNC. Why? Because if this goes from the left and this goes from the right and they come in and they drill 2 holes on the opposite side of the part, you don't have to reorient your CNC to a different axis and wait for it to move all the way over there. And so we even have a checklist over here, a quality checklist that we use to make sure that these go out exactly the way the customer needs them to be. We've actually got an order of these for 32 going out, and so we've just got 2 of them over here for one particular customer, which is a different customer, going out soon. And I wanted to show you what they were, but imagine 32 of these units all over a part, coming from all different angles, doing 32 holes at once. So much faster and actually less expensive than a CNC machine. We would love to help you. Check us out online at AutoDrill.com. You can email us at sales@AutoDrill.com. You can call us toll free, 800-871-5022. You can find us internationally by calling us at 01-908-542-0244. And there's nothing more that we would like to do than help you become more successful.